How to add Target REDcard to mobile wallet. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you on how, so let's just get started. The first thing you may understand is Target Red cards cannot be directly added to mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. However, you can add them to wallet within the Target application or browser. You can either head over to target.com and open it up and log in into your account or go to the Target application available in any of the App Store. Download it up and look out for the login option. For our website at the top right corner, tap on it and tap on sign in or create option within your screen and you will be taken to the login page of Target. Now here you may just go ahead and log in into your account from this process available. Continue the process, go on with the verification and log in into your app. And then once you are logged in, you need to navigate to the wallet section within the application or the browser. Now that you're there, you may look out for the option called Add a Payment Method. You can select Add Payment option within your screen, the plus sign to add up a new card, and there you need to input your Target Circle card information, PIN, and verification code. And the card will be saved and accessible within Target's application wallet. At the checkout, you can just go ahead and scan the barcode in the Target wallet, which will be applied to the Target Circle card and any other selected payment methods or coupons available. And the thing is, Target Circle cards are not supported by Apple Pay or Google Pay, so you need to be following up this method if you would like to add Target Red Card to a wallet. So you can use the Target Wallet feature in the app, streamlines payments for in-store purchases, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.